Hello, everybody out there in internet land. This is Ash Pearson from the band Revocation, and I'm here at beautiful Drumeo headquarters to teach you guys and gals a couple entry-level, beginner, absolute must double bass grooves to get you started. So the first one we have notated here sounds like this. So that's it at a pretty medium kind of tempo. So let's just slow it down and break it down a bit. So I'll play it really slow and then show you exactly what I'm doing. So when I'm first learning something of this nature, I like to break it down, start to take away limbs, and see exactly what the relationship is between the different limbs. So let me take away my left foot, for example. Your right bass drum is just basically playing eighth notes, and your hand is matching each of those eighth notes, so you're playing those at the same time, like this. And then you got your snare on the 2 and 4, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and. And where your left foot comes in, basically just adds to the single stroke nature of the exercise on the bass drums. So imagine your hands doing a single stroke roll. Just going to do that on the bass drum, on the feet. Right, left, right, left. Like that. So I suggest you get that going first of all. Just the right, left on the feet. Do it really nice and slow. If you're not too used to this pattern, do it really nice and slow. And then start to add the hands. Put it all together, sounds like this. Now let's play it at a fast tempo. All right. You got to work your way up to that speed, so take it slow. Make sure you get it really ingrained, all the note values dead on, as clean as you can get them, and only then do you start ramping it up. So I hope you enjoyed that one. All right, so for our next exercise, we are going to move into the realm of triplets, and you just have to get involved with triplet note values when you're talking any style of music really, but metal definitely utilizes triplets, especially on the bass drum. So here we go with a pretty basic triplet-based double bass groove. Here we go. All right, so we're gonna break this down a little bit. Your right hand is just counting out 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Your snare drum hand, your left hand, is doing on 2 and 4, doing a snare drum. 1, 2, 3, like so. And you're counting out triplets on the feet, alternating single strokes. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. That's hard to say fast. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And actually, that kind of is the tricky part, because when it comes to the second count, you have to hit the downbeat on the left because it's an odd note pattern, so that's kind of where it might trip you up, so take it slow. So get used to hitting that. Left foot, right hand. That's it in all its simplistic beauty. So let's play it at a medium tempo, and then we're gonna speed it up. So So here we are moving on to our third beat, which is a Gallop beat. Now this is pretty essential for a lot of, you know, power, rockin', metal. You know, I used to play in a band called 3 Inches of Blood, and we use this kind of thing all the time. You know, it's a really killer beat. Think Iron Maiden. You know, it's just really designed to match along with a chugging guitar riff, dun 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 dun, something like that. Think like Barracuda, you know, by Heart or something like that. So here we go. Here's the beat. I love that one. So this one is a little bit trickier because it's a broken up pattern on the bass drums, but the hands are pretty much staying the same as we've been doing with ostinato on the 2 and the 4 on the snare drum, and the right hand is just counting out 1, 2, 3, 4. So the top shelf sounds like this. Great. So the pattern on the feet starts out like this. Now you might notice, anytime I'm hitting the snare drum, I leave out the kick drum, so I don't hit the snare drum and the kick drum at the same time like this. I leave it out, I go. So that's a cool pattern you need to get used to doing if you want to play this, and it's just a cool one in general. You know, so here we go. Cool. Put it all together, medium tempo, here we go. All right, guys, again, I'm Ash from Revocation, and I hope you enjoyed those 3 essential heavy metal grooves to get you started on your double bass drum journey. Make sure to do lots of practice and do a lot of listening. Get out there, go shed, man.